25, yes?
Yes.
It's turn on?
I'm free if you buy anything.
Yeah.
Let me know, because I need to start buying stuff from Costco if we could take it back years later.
Kind of smart.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the rental, Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice. They told me that less is simple.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. Around here, we chase after new deals year round, whether that's at a yard sale, estate sale, Goodwill bins, anywhere. Y'all know we try to get that shmoney. Y'all, we just surpassed 5,000 subscribers. It's been a journey. I'm grateful for each and every one of you guys. And hold on, I got some more people that want to say thank you.
What's up, Candy Crew? How y'all doing? Thank y'all for subscribing my niece 5,000 followers.
Hey, Candy Crew, it's me again. I would like to thank you all for subscribing to MsTaffy's channel, her YouTube channel. You're all very loyal and loving. Thank you.
But yes, y'all, it's only the beginning, and we're gonna continue to grow, and let's go. All right, y'all. We selling this weed. I got it for yard sale for $5. If you didn't see that clip, check it out. What is this?
It's a weed. You just have to get the power cord and stuff. You probably sell it online. But the system's, this whole system's worth a lot.
How much are you asking?
I think she said they like $20.
With the weed, I was selling it for 10 because there's no power supply. You have to get that, and you also have to get the little thing. Is your last name Fletcher? It's not.
No.
Okay, good. I'll even let it go for $5 at the end of the day. You have to get the little reading bar for these little guys.
Okay. Hello.
25, yes?
Yes.
It's turn on, but...
It turned on, but don't accept the disc. Yeah. Right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
It's time to go to the yard sales. Shimon, let's see what they got. Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, and yourself? How much are your shoes?
Those ones are $5. The rest are like $2. Those ones are brand new. I've never worn them.
Okay.
And those are for salt balls. They're like.
Okay.
Your dog is so cute. Oh, thanks.
How much for the wheels?
Anything. Okay, yeah, $2.
$2?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it.
Alright.
So you was that.
Both of those?
Yes.
Alright, $7 please.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
So you go around like the yard sales and all that?
Oh,
Yes.
awesome.
Thank you. Yes.
Let me get you change. Is that like the main thing you do, or?
Oh no, I'm a children's social worker.
Oh, awesome.
So this is my peace of mind. Yeah.
I'm majoring in psychology right now. So.
Really?
Yeah, I think I want to work with kids that have like autism and stuff like that.
I have a passion for kids, so you know.
Me too. Yeah. And I have 3 younger siblings, so it
It'd be
just
perfect.
comes naturally.
It'd be perfect. You can check out my channel. It's MsTaffy.
Okay, MsTaffy?
Yes, MsTaffy.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. All right, that sale was a good. I could probably sell these for about 40 bucks. They're brand new. And these shoes, y'all, brand new. This colorway, I'm positive I could get at least $100 for these. So $7 into like 140. Psh, let's go to another sale.
He lives behind us. He was here well before you. This is Maya's and my son. Cheryl. I wish I had him.
I definitely should have grabbed these Kohans. I don't know why I left them behind, but I could have got at least $25 for them. How much are the shoes?
Let me ask what she's going with.
35 and 20. Yeah. 135.7.
Sorry, y'all. It was an accident. Sorry.
I don't know how many there.
Hi, how much are your shoes?
Take them all for 15. All of them.
I don't need all of them.
Well, you can give them to friends.
Don't get me wrong, guys. $15 was a great deal. The thing is, though, I'm limited on space right now.
Take them all, and someone will wear them in your family. We're trying to. It's a moving sale, so we're trying to like take stuff.
I got you. Cause I think I want these two. I know I want these two for sure. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can then to help you guys out.
Yes. So, do you want? Let me find you a container. Okay. By the way, do you want any of the decorations? It's gonna go dirt cheap. Just, I'm serious. Like, take it all.
Okay.
Because it's like we have a wrapping paper, every single thing imaginable. These are outside. Most of these ribbons light up.
Oh, okay.
They're picks. There's a whole house. This is outside of the house garland.
Oh.
Wrapping paper. You name it, we have it.
Okay.
It's a moving so for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And the shirts are $2. Hats are $3, and a lot of them are Trojan Rams. You know.
Okay.
There's some LA Dodgers stuff.
Okay.
That works.
Yes.
But it'll start piling up.
Yeah. No, not at the moment.
Do you need original cast aluminum chairs from Disneyland?
Oh, let me see those. That sounds dope.
They bought them an auction where they were refurbishing art. These are from, you know where Pirates of the Caribbean ride is? Like
yes.
New Orleans Square?
They had,
Originally these were striped. I think it was like blue and something. And she can sell them separately or all together.
Okay. Look at this machine. Oh my god, this is dope. Dang, if I had space.
Okay. The car is being sold too.
How much is the car?
We're trying to price it, so we're taking names because it's 1990. It's been in the garage literally for 20 years because her husband had 2 of them. He was driving one, and this is my mother-in-law.
Okay, got you.
Right, so I'm the help here.
Curious, how much did you guys sell these for?
I think these are like $300 ones.
Oh.
Because they go for $500 each, but we cannot find the chargers. So we're like, she put the sold sign on it so people don't ask for them because she needs to figure out what to do with them.
Oh.
But if you're
buy the chargers and then
but if you're willing to take them without the chargers, they work. They're just brand new ones sitting here. Then maybe she'll work.
Like how much?
The 2 chargers are like $150 to buy the chargers.
And she bought $500 for each.
Well, allegedly she's gonna take them back to Costco.
Yeah.
And Costco said they would take them.
Oh, so she's gonna do that? Oh.
Well, she should have the chargers, so she was gonna buy the chargers.
Do you think she would take it for $200?
And then take it. I asked my mom if they're super cool. I don't know what happened to the chargers.
So she do 200 for both?
Yeah.
I don't know. We don't. You'd have to ask her. I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Let me ask her.
Okay. What did she say?
200 each.
200 each? Oh, yeah, that's fine. 200 for both sounded good.
Would you go for 300 together?
I could do 200 for both. That's perfect.
Very scary. Say hi, buddy.
Not enough fridge.
Do you need a floor mace, floor cleaner, hardwood floor?
Let me think about it.
Hi, everything must go.
I'm free if you buy anything.
Yeah. All right, ma'am. How much for these 3 pair of shoes?
There you go.
$6, 7.
Air conditioning.
Okay. 5, 6, 7.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coke machine.
All right, thank you.
Well, thank you.
You guys, as you guys just saw that sale, I'm just thinking about that Coca-Cola machine. I know I missed out $50. I know I could have flipped that for sure for a lot more money, but the thing is my van is full to capacity and my storage is full to capacity. This is just gonna make me grind harder and make sure that everything's organized and I have space, you know? Because I just missed out on some money, but it's okay. That happens. But I was able to get these Morel shoes. Y'all seen that? I paid like $2.50 per shoe. I should be able to sell these for around 40 bucks. I also got these Under Armour shoes. Again, I should be able to sell them for like 40 bucks. New old stock. I'm thinking like 20 bucks, but I'm gonna double check. If it's different, I'm gonna post a comp on the screen, but these are also brand new. Hey, she was funny. She was trying to sell me everything, you know, that's a hustler right there. But as she was asking me the questions, I'm trying to look. She's like, you need this, you need that, but I'm not mad at her because she's trying to get that stuff gone. And I really wanted those scooters, to be honest, because y'all know I just sold my other scooter, but the owner said she was taking it back to Costco. But I'm like, you taking it back to Costco? How long is Costco warranty? And she had a charger. How you taking it back? Let me know, because I need to start buying stuff from Costco if we could take it back years later. I need to clean out the G-Wagon, y'all. Anywho, let's get our breakfast sandwich. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Now Starbucks. Can I get a medium mango dragon fruit lemonade? Okay. Light ice, extra dragon fruit pieces. Okay. A warm brownie.
Anything else?
That's it.
It's gonna be $8.20.
Let's go.
Hi, how are you? Good. So you got the pan?
Yeah. It's like bringing you shade, or is it for sale?
No, that's for shade. I think.
Exactly.
The books were individually priced and they wanted $20 for this set, so I decided to search for other items.
Who's pricing the lingerie? And all your records?
There was my stuff, and see how much is the mouse and keyboard.
Mouse and keyboard. Let's go 15 bucks.
15. Okay, let me see. Let me think about it.
What?
Can you do 10?
She was saying how much you want to sit.
What did I tell you? 15?
15, yeah.
Okay, I'll do 10.
Okay.
And a smile.
There you go.
The sun, I've been out all morning. It's getting me.
Oh, hopefully you found some good deals.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a great one.
Care.
Thank you. I'll be honest, the mouse saved me on this deal. The keyboard only goes for $15, but look at this mouse. I should be able to get $40 for it. How much are your shoes, ma'am?
They're like $3 a piece.
Okay.
Do you have a bag there?
Yeah, let me.
I should be able to sell these shoes for 25 bucks. I should also be able to sell these for 25 bucks. So I want these two.
Okay. There you go. And that's $6. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I just had to come back on camera and let you guys know how grateful I am for you guys. Like, I started this journey and like the support I received. There's no crew like the Candy Crew. We 5,000 deep now, and like the love and support y'all give me. Like when I fell off that bike.
Oh damn! I fell too. Oh Lord.
It was amazing. Like, you guys don't know how much that meant to me. It was an accident. It was funny. Like, even after I watched it back, y'all, I'll be honest, I was cracking up. Like, I fell off a bike. But right now, I'm about to have lunch. Y'all want to see what it is? Carne asada tacos. I'm going to share with y'all, so, you know, I'm going to share. Let me bless it first. Hold on. Am I the only person? I like putting ketchup on my tacos. So I got a pack of ketchup. I need some ketchup on them. Oh, I told them hot sauce on the side. They put it on the taco. Y'all want ketchup? I want you to try it, huh? You gonna try this ketchup on the taco? Watch. Fire. Don't say I never told y'all nothing. I'm gonna let y'all get the first bite. Now, y'all know how we do. Don't take no big bite. Because these are the little mini street tacos. I got 3 now, but still. Don't take no big bite. You promise? Okay. Now it's my turn. Woo! But like I said, thank you guys for all the support. It never goes unnoticed. Until the next video, keep hustling. Staying positive. TTYL.